Uh, I want to take this privilege to welcome Brigadier General Ibrahim Semir for the bold decision that he has taken to declare his allegiance to the government with all the forces of SOA. Today, we, as institution, as usual, all of you are aware there are a lot of defection. And today we are happy that the National Security Service is going to release press on the defection of South Sudan opposition alliance, that is SOA, to the South Sudan government. Today, April 11, 2025, the National Security Service takes this opportunity to inform the public that it has received South Sudan Opposition Alliance, SOA commanders, with the forces after announcing disengagement and defection from SOA to the ranks and files of South Sudan People Defense Force and other organized forces of the Republic of South Sudan. The force is comprised of more than 7 commanders and more than 2,000 active personnel, being under the command of Brigadier General Semir Ibrahim David, the commander of SOA, that is South Sudan Opposition Alliance Forces in Greater Equatoria Region, ranking members of the Media Committee on Joint Defense Board, that is JDF, and the official spokesperson of the South Sudan People Defense Force Party. The forces are part of the transition peace agreement that were trained and graduated across various military training centers of Lologo, Rajab, Owinkbul, Muni, Gudmakur, Meridi, and others across the country, Republic of South Sudan. According to the commander's statement, all of you have just heard from him, the group have declared ultimate disengagement. I want to repeat this. The group of SOA have declared ultimate disengagement from the SOA and all its affiliated organizations and have renounced all duties previously assigned to them in line with military and security mechanisms on behalf of SOA, as they are now members of South Sudan government under the leadership of General Salva Kiir Mayardit, President of the Republic of South Sudan. On the other hand, it is crucial to note that Brigadier General Ibrahim Semir David is a ranking member of Revitalized Agreement on the Resolution of Conflict in the Republic of South Sudan, RACIS, signed in 2018 through the ticket of South Sudan Opposition Alliance, SOA, and thereof assigned as a member of Media Committee for Joint Defense Board, that is JDB. The board, as one of the key provisions for the Transition Peace Agreement, is tasked with implementation of security arrangements and facilitate cooperation among the signatories to the agreement. Therefore, ladies and gentlemen of the press, despite the commander's role guaranteed by the government, he and his fellow commanders have exclusively decided to engage with the SOA and its affiliated organizations. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, in this respect, it is assured that the decision taken by the commander and his group will come, and their safety and security is guaranteed, as well as steadfast integration of their forces into the National Army and other organized forces. Finally, the National Security Service reiterates to the people of South Sudan that following the recent massive dissertation of most all-out groups and subsequent defection to the SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, and other organized forces, and doubt demonstrates concerted efforts and willingness by the people of South Sudan that embracing peace, security of the country is top priority, and other taking it back to war, often resulting into senseless destruction of lives and properties. Thank you.
South Sudan Police Services Fire Brigade Wildlife Yourself Fakir South Sudan
Shukran. Thank you.